No, he let, he's coming. He's coming.
I didn't slow you up at all, did I?
No. I totally saw that. That's awesome that his mom came with him, first of all.
That's what I was saying. Like,
normally you go that way. Yeah, come this way. Okay. You'll see there's it's fenced. You just lean into it. Yeah. And then there's slabs all right. You kind of like hop up on them. Okay. So if you want to go, it's long. If you want to.
Just carry speed. Want me to follow you?